Dear students, in the previous video I discussed with you how to write a formal letter. In continuation to the same topic, here today I am going to discuss the letter to the editor. A letter to editor is a very common question which is asked in the CBSE exams. A letter to editor is written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. Generally, in these letters, a social issue or problem is highlighted, and since it is a formal letter, the format is to be followed strictly. Furthermore, there are marks for writing the letter in a correct format. In the previous video, I explained how the marks are divided for this question. Now, there are few points to take care while you will be writing a letter to the editor. These key points are: reread your letter and ensure there is no spelling error. When you read a letter, write the letter. After that, you have to check it. Since it is a formal letter, use only formal language. Strictly use only formal language. Do not use abbreviations and slang language in the formal letter. Many a time you use the short forms of the words, like these days SMS language. In the short form, it has become a habit to write in short, but remember, you are writing in the answer sheet of an exam. That is a very formal thing, a formal document, so your language must also be formal. Take a good look at where to put commas or even where not to put commas at the starting of the letter, or even I would say at the end of the letter also. And now, what is the format? Now, the format I had explained earlier also. Now, you should write the letter into this format. First of all, sender's address. First, you need to write the address and contact detail of the sender. In the previous video, I told you you will be writing the letter, so you will be the sender. But remember, in board exams or generally in any exam question paper, when this type of question comes, the names and the address details are also given, and you have to use those details and names only. Do not write your own name or your own details. Especially during the board exams, students are not allowed to write their names or even their roll numbers and their contact details in the answer sheets. It is always given in the question कि you are such and such person living at such and such address. Strictly use those given names and address only. So according to that, write your address means sender's address. Then comes the date. After leaving a line, leave a space of a line, then write the date. After the date, again leave a line, then write the receiver's address. Here you are writing to the editor, so receiving editor's address of that particular editor. Then comes the subject and salutation. Here again I told earlier also कि salutation and the subject. Sometime you will see some examples where salutation is written above the subject, and in some examples or in some books you will find salutation written first, then the subject. So both are acceptable. You can write either way. You can write subject first, then you write salutation part. Now in the subject, you write the main purpose of the letter in one line or in phrases. It must carry a matter for which you are writing the letter. Means your subject should be self-explanatory. After reading the subject, the reader must be well aware about what the letter has been written. That type of subject you have to write for your letter. Then salutation, respected sir, respected madam, or sir or madam. Then comes the main body part. Write the matter of the letter here. As I discussed earlier, you can divide it into 3 paragraphs. First para of the body, introduce yourself and explain the purpose of writing the letter in a brief. Second para of the body, give a complete detail of the matter. Why are you writing? What is the problem? Total detail. And in third paragraph, conclude by mentioning what you expect to be done by the editor. Remember, you are writing the letter to the editor, so what you want him to do, what are your expectations from him, so you will write that in last concluding part. For example, you may want him to highlight the issue in his newspaper or magazine, that's why you are writing a letter to him. Then closing compliments like thank you, regards, these are compliments you use for closing. And at last, sender's name, signature and designation if provided in the question. Okay, remember, signature comes before the name. So this way you will write in this format your letter to editor. Now I show you an example, a question with example that was asked in board exams. Here we have a question. You are Amar or Sheila, a student of TD Public School, Delhi. You are concerned about the water logging in your area during rainy season. The logging of water means water gets collected and it is drainage problem. So for that, write a letter to the editor to a newspaper highlighting the need to improve the condition of a road. Now how you will write the letter? This. So I will be sending this separately. You go through this letter, read it carefully how this letter is written. Okay, and also note down these all important points. I will be sending these, so I want you to note down these in your grammar notebooks with this example. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.